Good morning, children. Today, let us have a session on question and answers. The first question is describe the art and architecture of Vijayanagara period. The excellent work done by Vijayanagara kings in the field of art and architecture is memorable. The emperors were known as great patrons of architecture. During this period, temples, palaces, forts, towers, huge halls or mahamantapas, public buildings, tanks, bunds, canals, and dams were constructed. The Vijayanagara kings continued the architectural style of Chalukyas, Cholas, and Hoysalas. The unique feature of their architecture was the construction of huge auditorium and marriage halls. Temples had huge towers or rayagopuras, leaf-shaped arches and platforms. In this art, more than ornamentation, the qualities of grandeur, awe, and elegance were given importance. Rough granite stone was used for the construction of these structures. During the period of the Vijayanagara kings, temples were built in Hampi, Sringeri, Tirupati, Lepakshi, Karkala, Mudabidri, Bhatkala, Chidambaram, Kanchi, Kalahasti, Nandi, Srishaila, Kolar, and other places. The most important temple constructed in the beginning of the Vijayanagara dynastic rule was Vidyashankara temple at Sringeri. The structure of this temple is unique in India. The most ancient temple of Vijayanagara is Virupaksha temple at Hampi. Having a vast courtyard hall, this temple has many pillars with sculptures and decorative ceilings. The Vijayavitala temple of Hampi is known for its magnificent architectural beauty. The Saptaswara musical pillars, huge Kalyana mantapas, and the stone chariot have enhanced the beauty of this temple. Now, let us go to the next question. That is, how can Gawan be considered as the best prime minister of Bahmani dynasty? Muhammad Gawan from 1347 to 1426 current era, he was the prime minister of Kalburgi dynasty. Kalburgi was the capital of Bahmani kingdom. During this period, Muhammad Gawan ruled the kingdom with selflessness and dedication. As a prime minister, he took the Bahmani kingdom to great heights. He learned Muslim religious verses and law at Cairo, also gained proficiency in Arab and Parsi languages. He served as the prime minister during the rule of Bahmani kings Humayun, Nizam Shah, and Muhammad Shah III. He was responsible for enhancing the glory of Bahmani kingdom by his efficient administration and victories. Gawan conquered Konkan, Goa, and Belagavi. Later, he invaded Orissa and conquered Kondavidu. In the year 1481 current era, he invaded Kanchi and plundered its huge wealth. Thus, Muhammad Gawan was responsible for the all-round development of the Bahmani kingdom. Now, let us move on to the next question. Explain the education, art, and architecture of the Bahmani sultans. The educational policy of the Adil Shahis was to propagate Islamic culture. There were schools known as maktabs. They were under the control of mosques. The students in the maktabs were taught the alphabet, religion, law, poetry, and rhetoric. The madrasas were centers of higher education. Muhammad Gawan, who was a scholar himself, established a madrasa or college at Bidar to encourage study of the Islamic religion and law. It had library with around 3000 manuscripts. The college was also a lodge for students, teachers, and orthodox people. Astronomy, grammar, mathematics, philosophy, and political science were studied in this college. The sultans developed Indo-Saracenic style of architecture. The Jamia Mosque built by Adil Shah I is a prominent monument even today. Ibrahim Roza, Gol Gumbaz, Gagan Mahal, and Asar Mahal are the important monuments of this time. These monuments have made the Adil Shahis world famous. The Gol Gumbaz at Vijayanagara or Vijayapura is one of the greatest structure of the world. It has an area of 1,800 square feet. There are 7 stories minarets in the four centers of the building. There is a huge dome in the center. With this, we have concluded the question answer session for today. It's now time to say goodbye to you all. See you soon. Bye bye, children. Thank you, one and all.